The name's Iran Batanita from BS Info to B. And I'm currently 20 years old. So I'm gonna answer the two information he had just given us earlier, which is what is multimedia and what is the importance of multimedia in education. So what really is multimedia? It is the use of more than one type of media to present information much more easier. Usually, it is a combination of text, images, audio, video, animation, and interactivity. A simple example of this is a YouTube video. It may have text captions, images, audio, and video all together. Another example is a game or mobile app where you see text instructions, images or characters, background music, sound effects, animation, and you can interact by tapping or clicking. In much more simple terms, multimedia makes information more engaging, easier to understand, and more interesting by combining different forms of media instead of just using one. So why is it important, especially in education? It makes learning easier. It helps us students remember information better than text alone. It also improves communication. Complex ideas are easier to explain using images, animations, and videos. And it really is getting used everywhere today, whether in education, entertainment, advertising websites, apps, and social media. So in short, multimedia helps deliver information more clearly, effectively, and enjoyably.
Roel J. M. Gonzalez,
From which department po?
College of Engineering.
So para po sa inyo, ano po ang multimedia?
I think multimedia is focus sa social medias. Basically, mga social media na nagko-connect or nagso-socialize sa ibang tao.
And para po sa inyo, ano po ang importance po nito in education po?
In terms of education, it can transfer information a lot faster. Very convenient para sa generation natin ngayon. But meron din siyang sa English. So, na using for you.